Welcome, here I've got REALME Pad, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard picture mode. Now let me take a photo. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and here at the third place we have shutter sound option, so by tapping on the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Let me keep it turned off, and when we move back to camera and take another picture, we can't hear sound. And of course, when we go to right corner settings once again, tap to shutter sound to turn it on, we can hear it again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.